Hello, everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero with this next weather update. So, it is snowing right now. I'm going to step off camera here, and we're going to see what looks like a really fine winter wonderland right now. The plow actually just came through, so that's where the road's actually clearing out just a little bit. But what we're also seeing is just very fine snow. And this kind of snow, it's more of this little fluffy snow. And this is not the type of snow that we would, or at least I was expecting in the beginning. What this type of snow really is the type of snow that it can be blown around very easily. So that's the issue that was going on a little bit earlier. The winds have calmed down now, so that's a good thing. And with these calmer winds, we're not really seeing any of this accumulation really be knocked around. So, if this snow continues, we may be seeing a little bit higher snow totals than I was originally anticipating. So, I'm going to put up my new snow map here. I'm just going to stand off to the side. And right up here, this is the new snow map. So, overall, what I'm saying is for the New York City area, I'm saying it's not going to be much. A little coating to 3 inches. That's kind of the general vicinity around the New York City area. Then once you start getting into, say, Rockland and Westchester, that coating to 3 inches starts to go into the 3 to 6 inch range. And the 3 to 6 inch range extends through the more mid-Hudson Valley, going into Sullivan, Ulster, and Putnam County. And once you do get a bit more north of that area, this can be even going up to Albany or some areas north of Albany. That could be over 6 inches in some areas. I'm not going to say specifically just because it's very localized at that point, but I'm just going to say 6 plus. So what I'm saying overall, New York City area, around the New York City area, just a coating to about 3 inches, which is kind of what we're at right now at the start, just this coating to about an inch. If this continues, we may be seeing a couple of more inches. So yeah, coating to 3 inches from most areas around New York City area. Where I am at the moment, which is a bit more north of New York City, this is more in the 3 to 6 inch range. So it's still not a big storm, but giving a good amount of snow. Now the issue, let me take that snow map down now. Now the issue that's going to start coming up is when the transition happens. Because right now, it is cold, it's in the 20s, it's been in the 20s the past couple of days, so it's really frozen. But we're going to start seeing some warm air coming into the picture. And when this warm air starts to come in, we are going to be seeing a transition from this snow to ice. And that's going to be the issue, because on all of the power lines, that's where we could be seeing a lot of this ice accumulation. Tree branches, you could see some ice or accretion. A little bit of that, maybe a tenth of an inch, 0.01 inches of ice accretion, so not that much, but it's still there. It's possible. When we start getting this freezing rain and then sleet starting, that's going to be the case later today. After sunset, going into the night, the temperatures are going to be actually rising. And then to end this system, we're going to have rain. It's going to turn to just all rain. Now, that doesn't mean tomorrow is going to be a warmer day than today. No. Tomorrow is going to be just as cold. So the warm air that's coming in overnight with the rain is just really the overnight hours. Then the temperature really drops off again tomorrow, and that sets the cold air that's going to be in place for really the week ahead. So overall, this wintry storm, this wintry system here, we're going to be seeing for today into the first part of your night tonight. Then it's going to start transitioning to a little bit of some ice and a wintry mix. Then maybe after midnight, that's where we're going to really start to see the rain come in. That's why I'm also going to put this up here. Right here, this is the latest watches, warnings, and advisories. So a lot of the area is in a winter weather advisory, not necessarily a winter storm, but it looks like there is one area in a winter storm warning here. So it's just in that little localized area. It looks like it's a little bit worse, but for most of the area, it's just the winter weather advisory. So let me take that down. So overall, what you should be doing is really not going out anywhere. Stay off the roads, allow all of the workers out there just space to keep the roads clear. And I'd say stay inside, have some hot chocolate, watch a movie, watch some YouTube. And that's pretty much what you should be doing today, and that's really about it. That kind of wraps up this latest weather update video here. Kind of a weather update weekend outlook mix. So again, tomorrow, I'm probably not going to have a video out tomorrow, but just a heads up, it's going to be very windy tomorrow, and it's going to be cold. You got to bundle up. The frostbite factor is definitely a thing for tomorrow. If you want to check that out, I do have a frostbite explainer video on my channel, and I'll link that and probably put that clickable button at the end for the frostbite, because that's something that can happen with the really strong winds that we're going to be seeing tomorrow. All right, again, that wraps up this video. Have fun with the little bit of snow that we're having. Please stay safe, everybody out there. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. I will see you all in that next video.